I tested 23 free money apps, so you don't have to. These 5 are the only ones worth installing. 1. In-app, free trial, then $15 per MO. Best zero-based budget app, pays for itself. 2. Mint, free, auto-categorizes all spending, good for beginners. Difference: in-app teaches habits, Mint shows what's already happening. 3. Fidelity or Vanguard app, free, track investments, manage IRA. 4. Personal Capital, free, net worth tracking, investment analyzer. These 2 together give you the picture a financial advisor would charge $300 per hour for. 5. Debt Payoff Planner, free, enter all debts, it calculates avalanche/snowball. Gamified payoff, you unlock paid-off debts as you go. Motivational feature, shows exact payoff date based on your payments. In-app for budgeting plus Fidelity for investing plus Debt Payoff Planner for debt. 15 minutes per week across all 3 equals complete financial picture. Replace the stack with better tools as your situation gets more complex. Get my free app comparison worksheet at https://funbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.